Well, heavy rain here in the southeast, adding up to about 4, even 8 inches, kind of widespread across the Florida Panhandle. Things will begin to kind of wind down though as we head into the next day to a couple of days, which is good news. We definitely need to dry out a little bit, but things become a little bit more active by the end of the week, and there will also be some warmer temperatures ahead. So we do have flood watches ongoing still in a few areas here in the southeast, and again, areas of heavy rain still not out of the question, but the overall heaviest amount of rain has kind of come to a conclusion here, maybe a little bit heavier out over the eastern portions of North Carolina, and still a few areas of heavier precipitation from Georgia into the northern half of Florida. There may also be a few rumbles of thunder within these areas too. Again, we're kind of watching that heaviest batch of rain today kind of sitting to the south. A little bit of that off and on here today across the east coast and into Florida, but as you notice, the heaviest rain has kind of come to an end. Now, things will be ramping back up in terms of rainfall by the second half of the week as a storm system out over the western U.S. begins to develop and pushes in our local area. Now, the heaviest of this next batch of rain likely to be falling across the Tennessee and Ohio Valley, but we'll still have some of that. Today, a little bit warmer from the mid-Atlantic states down to Florida, about 10 to 15 degrees above average. Below average, though, for the lower Mississippi Valley as we're only into the 40s and 50s there, but milder in Florida as we top out in the mid-80s this afternoon.